Okay, so now we are going to do word problems with this. So, Tom is afraid of heights above 9 feet. He's asked to repair a high deck. The bottom of the ladder must be placed. Okay, so remember, ladders don't stand straight up and down. We don't typically climb them on the floor. So, here's my ladder. The ladder is it's placed 6 feet from the deck. So that means if the deck is over here, it is 6 feet away from it. The ladder itself is 10 feet. The ladder itself is 10 feet. Where is my right angle? Here. Across from it is my ladder. So that means if I plug in my a squared b squared equals c squared, I would have a number in my c squared. It doesn't matter which of the other two I know. So I have 36 plus b squared equals 100. Subtract 36 on both sides. B squared equals 64. And if we take the square root on both sides, you end up with 8. So Tom is afraid of heights above 9 feet. So is he afraid of the height? No, he is not. Okay? A soccer field is a rectangle. It's like we've done this before. Measuring a 90 by 120. Then it says that they want somebody, because they did something they weren't supposed to go diagonally. So, if this is my right angle, do I know my hypotenuse or a leg? A leg. So I have 120 squared plus 90 squared equals c squared. What's 120 squared? What's 90 squared? Add those two together and you get, take the square root of both sides and you get, so he had to run, or they had to run 150 meters. Probably shouldn't mess with that coach anymore. All right. The next one is something you did last year. So actually probably 2 years ago, probably in 6th grade. So this, right, is one shape. Break apart the shape. Make your life easier. This is another shape. And then you have the last shape. So how do you find area of a triangle? Base times height divided by 2. So if you do 4 times 3 divided by 2. So 4 times 3 divided by 2 is 12 divided by 2. So this is 6. I don't know what I'm doing. Not bad, y'all. That's not what I'm doing. All right, let's try that again. This is a 3 by 4 triangle. It's a right triangle. This is a triangle as well. It is a 4 by 4 triangle. And this box is obviously a 4 by 4 triangle. So we need to find 2 hypotenuses. So I need to do 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. 16 plus 9 equals c squared. 25 equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides, and that equals 5. So, sorry about that, y'all. Going back to other math days. So this is 5. Okay. Then on the flip side of that is this one. So I have 4 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 16 plus 16 equals c squared. 32 equals c squared. What is the square root of 32? 5.7. So now you need to add up